culminate the Marian Month of May, a Quincentennial Santacruzan was held last Sunday, May 30 by the Archdiocese of Cebu, the Cebu City Tourism Commission, and other stakeholders. The Santacruzan is a Filipino tradition that highlights the finding of the true cross by Queen Helena, mother of the Emperor Constantine, and closes another beloved Filipino tradition, the Flores de Mayo. This religious historical practice started in the mid-1800s, with the first being held in Malolos, Bulacan. The event started with a mass presided by Cebu Archbishop Jose Palma at the chapel of San Pedro Calungsod.
The participants in particular parade or processed the many virtues of Mama Mary, her titles, and how we honor her. And we know that it has been done in the Philippines. And in fact, Filipinos have exported this to many other places. And yung tanan who have been participating in this wonderful tradition, we know very well that SM have been doing this. To all of you, daghan kayong salamat.
Lapu-Lapu City Tourism, Cultural, and Historical Affairs Commission Head Cindy King Chan was then crowned as the Reina Imperatriz. Reina Imperatriz is a representation of Saint Helena's title of Augusta, meaning Empress or Queen Mother, which her son Constantine bestowed upon her. According to Archbishop Jose Palma, the yearly celebration of Flores de Mayo in Santacruzan is observed to give honor to the Blessed Mother.
I was saying this is to show that we love Mama Mary because she loves us. No? And the beauty is an expression, as Mary said, no? I am beautiful because I love. And therefore what we are saying is even the sagalas are all beautiful because they represent Mama Mary, who is loving, beautiful, and certainly very meaningful.
The Santacruzan procession started from the chapel of San Pedro Calungsod to the nearby SM Seaside Mall.
Our beautiful sagalas of Flores de Mayo.
The sagalas of the Flores de Mayo and Santacruzan included representatives from parishes and beauty queens such as Miss Universe Philippines 2019 Gazini Ganados, Miss Earth 2008 Carla Henry, Miss Cebu 2009 Chris Tiffany Chanson, and Binibining Cebu 2018 Steffi Aberasturi. Representatives from the LGUs including Cebu City Tourism Commission Head Attorney Jocelyn Pesquera.
Of course, ever since, even when I was young and until now, I uphold the virtues of Santa Maria de Betania, because what is important is we listen to the words of God, and I would like even to encourage the youngsters now to read the Bible.
The activity also featured musical numbers by the Jose R. Gullias Visayas Coral.
Sa mismo